Hello everyone, welcome to Luxury Properties, our YouTube channel. Today we bring to you a very different kind of a property which is away from the city. It's off Kanakapura Road. This is a perfect setup for someone who's looking for a weekend home or a second holiday home. And because this place is quite peaceful, it's absolutely green with all that lush green trees that you see all around. The air here is pure, imbued with clarity. It's very peaceful actually. So if you're looking for something of this kind, of a beautiful and interesting weekend home, then there could be no better choice than this. As you could see, there's so much greenery all around. And that's the farmhouse or the weekend home that we're going to cover today, which is right on your screens there. That's the entrance to the weekend home that we're going to cover today. It's amidst lush greens, very peaceful. You could hear the bird twitters, scattering noises, lazy wind. A perfect setup for someone who's looking for a home away from the city and a home where you can come and unwind. That's the entrance. It's a 9,300 square feet plot area. This home is spread around 9,300 square feet, with the built up being around 2,200 square feet of a house. That's the weekend home that we're going to cover today, which is right on your screens. And as I had mentioned a little while earlier as well, and you're seeing that, it's all green. It's green all around. That's the complete plot area, and that's a huge clutter of bamboo trees. That's an outdoor cooking or barbecue area within the plot. Now let's show you what's around this beautiful weekend home. That's a nice view that you get from this home, and that I think is a small water body there. In rainy seasons, as you could see, that's the path way for the water. All the water comes in and then it gets accumulated. And that forms a nice little pond during the rainy seasons. That's how the weekend home is spread out, and that's one side of the weekend home. And now we'll walk you into the home and show you how the interiors are. Now let's walk you inside the beautiful weekend home. This is very eco-friendly and very close to the nature. They've retained all the trees here. They've retained almost all the everything that which grows. They've retained everything in this house. They've not disturbed anything or violated against the nature. So these are a few steps which takes you into a 2200 square feet structure. It's a house which is a resale, and the house was built in the year 2008. So what you're seeing is a resale house. It would require a little bit of refurbishment. A little bit of work has to go into propping up things. That's a wide sit out right at the moment you enter. It's a sit out come balcony or an extended portion of extended balcony with this amazing view. Now let's walk into the home. As I mentioned, there's a little bit of refurbishment, there's a little bit of work that will have to be done. That's the main entrance into the 2-bedroom weekend home, and that is the view it has to offer. For the living room, it's got huge windows, allow a lot of natural air and light. That's how the ceiling is. It's semicircular in shape with 2 slit windows just below the roof, ensuring natural light into the house. And that's a nice, beautiful living area done with Kota stones for flooring. Now let's walk you in. From the living room, we head in this veranda, and on to the right there, you take a few steps down, is bedroom number 1. It's a semi-open bedroom wherein it's not entirely closed with an attached, this room's got an attached toilet as well. This bedroom number 1 is on a different level. It's a few steps down. We then take a few steps up and land onto the dining area. That's the dining area. That is the dining table that you could see right there. And the dining area also opens out to an extended sit out or a balcony. With that amazing view to offer. So if you're looking to get away from the concrete of the city, and if you're looking to get away from the noise and pollution, I think there can't be a better setup than this. A perfect getaway home, a perfect second home, or a weekend home. Now we head back into the dining, and with the dining attached is the kitchen. That is an open kitchen there. And that's where they have placed the refrigerator, and that's the utility. It could also be the utility area, and to the right of it is a powder room. The kitchen opens out to the backyard. That's the backyard. Now we head back into the kitchen and we show you another view from the backyard of how the kitchen is spread out. That's the dining area. The house from the other end, giving you more sense of the design. That's where you, in the center of your screen, you see that door is the main entrance. And then you have the living area, and then you have a little connecting passage or a veranda. And to the left of it is the bedroom, which is a few steps down, and to the right, where we walk in now, is the master bed. That's how the master bed is spread out, decent sized, semicircular ceiling, Kota flooring, which is temperature neutral flooring, and that's the door which opens out to an extended balcony. That's the extended balcony connected to the master bedroom. That's an amazing view. And you can place in a few chairs on the balcony and have your tea, coffee, or whatever you like. See, that's how they've retained this tree. They've made a incision on a cut on the balcony, but they've retained the tree. Now we head back into the bedroom. A quick view of the bedroom from the other end. That's the wardrobe, and it's got a toilet attached. A quick glance of the living area again from another angle, from another end. We've come to an end of today's home tour. If you're looking for a place which is quite peaceful and amongst trees, and you're looking for a weekend home, there can't be much better options than what you've seen just now. So if you think you like something like this and you want to buy it, you got to call on the numbers given below. And I repeat that it's a weekend home or a second home in a gated community with ample of security. Though it's away from the city, but it's still very close to the city as well. It's just off Kanakapura Road, before the Art of Living Ashram. It's a 9,300 square feet plot area with about 2,200 square feet of built up, 2-bedroom, beautiful home, and it's a resale home. The home was built in the year 2008. So if this works out for you, call on the numbers given below. Thank you so much. Have a good day.